In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your Facebook avatar. So what you want to do is open up the Facebook app, go to the top bottom on the right on the menu, and then click on Settings and Privacy. From there, click on Settings and then click on See More in Account Center. From there, you want to click on Profiles, which is above Connected Experiences, and then click on your Facebook account and then click on Avatar. From here, you can choose first your skin color, then you can create your hairstyle, click Next, hair color, and then again click Next, your face shape, sure, whatever, click Next, and then done. But you can do more personalization such as body, outfit, whatever, and then once you click done, this is now your new avatar, and that's it. That's how you create one. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.